Hello everyone, in this video, we're going to see how you can delete wallpaper on iPhone. Welcome back to our channel Apple Wiz. So let's dive right into it. So the first thing that we're going to do is go to our lock screen, for which you can simply just swipe down from the left corner of your phone like this. And after swiping down here, you can see we are on the lock screen. Now what we're going to do is simply just long press on our screen just like this. And after doing that, here you can see all of the wallpapers that you previously added on your phone. Here you can swipe left to right, and here you can see all of the wallpapers. So in order to delete these wallpapers, what you're going to do is simply just swipe up this wallpaper. For example, I want to delete this wallpaper, so I'm going to swipe up this wallpaper just like this, and you can see delete option right here. You can tap on it like this and then tap on delete this wallpaper. After doing that, here you can see we have now successfully deleted that particular wallpaper. If you want to delete another, I'm going to show you again. So you can simply swipe left and see this. This is the wallpaper that I want to delete. So I'm going to again swipe up like this and again tap on this delete icon right here and tap on delete this wallpaper one more time. And we have now successfully deleted that wallpaper too. And just like this, you can delete the wallpaper. And just like this, you can delete the wallpaper from your iPhone. And yeah, that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.